Do you ever suffer from anxiety? Have you been anxious or tense? It can happen to all of us. Anxiety gives you an unpleasant and insecure feeling that you want to get rid of as quickly as possible. An anxious feeling can have various causes. Research shows that in the United States, more than 40 million people over the age of 18 have feelings of anxiety. Unfortunately, less than 37% of these people receive treatment. In this video, we give some tips on how to deal with your anxiety feelings in a natural way. Do you regularly suffer from anxiety? Always contact your doctor or therapist. You're jittery, anxious, and scared. Cash, health, work, family, or love are all issues that you're concerned about. Your heart is pounding, your breathing is shallow and rapid, your imagination is conjuring up thoughts of doom, and all you want to do right now is relax. If you have a full-blown anxiety disorder or are just freaking out, you don't want to take medication, at least not yet. Mind-body workouts, supplements, and calming teas are only a few of the safe, drug-free anxiety remedies available. For some people, these methods start working right away, while others can help with anxiety reduction over time. Are you stumped as where to begin? Here are some of the best natural anxiety remedies. Number 1. Chamomile. Chamomile is a flowering plant that is used to treat a variety of ailments. If you're feeling jittery, a cup of chamomile tea will help you unwind. Compounds in chamomile, Matricaria recurtita, bind to the same brain receptors as Valium. It's also available as a supplement with 1.2% apigenin, an active ingredient, and dried chamomile flowers typically included. According to a study, patients with generalized anxiety disorder who took chamomile supplements for 8 weeks experienced a significant reduction in anxiety symptoms as compared to patients who took a placebo. Number 2. Amino acid. The amino acid L-theanine is a type of amino acid or green tea. Buddhist monks in Japan are said to be able to meditate for long periods of time while staying alert and comfortable. The amino acid, named L-theanine, contained in their green tea may be one of the reasons. In a few limited human trials, L-theanine has been shown to help reduce heart rate and blood pressure, as well as to alleviate anxiety. According to one study, anxiety-prone participants were calmer and more focused during a test after taking 200 milligrams of L-theanine beforehand. Green tea contains that much L-theanine, but you'll have to drink a lot of it, 5 to 20 cups, to get that much. Number 3. Hops. While hops, Humulus lupulus, are used in beer, the bitter herb hops, Humulus lupulus, does not have the calming effects of the bitter herb hops, Humulus lupulus. Hops' sedative agent is a volatile oil, so it can be used in extracts and tinctures, as well as in hops pillows for aromatherapy. You don't see it in tea very much because it's so bitter unless it's mixed with chamomile or mint. Hops is also used in conjunction with another plant, Valerian, as a sedative to help people fall asleep. If you're taking a prescription tranquilizer or sedative, avoid sedative herbs and inform your doctor about any supplements you're taking. Some herbal supplements, like L-theanine, alleviate anxiety without causing sleepiness, while others are sedatives. Number 4. Valerian. Valeriana officinalis is a sleep aid for people who suffer from insomnia. Valerian is commonly taken as a tablet or tincture rather than a tea because of its heavy odour. If you want to take it, do so in the evening before going to bed. Valerian is often combined with other sedative herbs such as hops, chamomile and lemon balm. Number 5. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a plant that is used to treat a variety of ailments. Since the Middle Ages, lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, which is named after the Greek word for honeybee, has been used to alleviate stress and anxiety as well as help sleep. In one study, healthy volunteers who were given standardized lemon balm extracts of 600 milligrams were calmer and more alert than those who were given a placebo. Although it's generally beneficial, some research suggests that taking too much can make you feel anxious. As a result, stick to the instructions and start with the smallest dose you can. Lemon balm is found in tea, tablets and tinctures, among other things. Hops, chamomile and valerian, among other calming herbs, are often used in its preparation. Number 6. Passion flower. Passion flower is a flower that grows in the United States. This herb, despite its name, will not help you find love. It's just as effective as prescription drugs at minimizing depressive symptoms, according to some studies. It's also used to help people sleep. If you're on a prescription sedative, don't mix it with other sedative herbs like valerian, hops, kava, lemon balm, or other sedative herbs because it can make you sleepy or drowsy. If you're taking more than one sedative herb at the same time, proceed with caution and don't take passion flower for more than a month at a time. Number 7. Lavender. Lavender has an intoxicating but safe scent that can act as an anti-inflammatory on an emotional level. Greek dental patients were less stressed when the waiting room was scented with lavender oil, according to a report. Number 8. Consider this. It's time to let it all out now. Yoga breathing has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety, but we don't recommend going blue. Number 9. Consider your eating habits. People become anxious and irritable almost invariably when they're hungry. Your blood sugar will drop when you have an anxiety attack. The best thing to do is have a fast, sustaining snack, such as a handful of walnuts or a piece of dark chocolate, along with a glass of water or a nice cup of hot tea. Some experts say that food is the most effective factor in reducing anxiety. Eat a whole foods, plant-based diet that includes carefully selected meat and fish, plenty of leafy greens such as kale for folate, and a wide variety of phytonutrients to help alleviate anxiety. Breakfast should always be eaten. Do not starve yourself. People who suffer from anxiety disorders also tend to miss breakfast. For example, eggs are a satiating and filling protein as well as nature's most abundant source of choline. Low choline levels have been related to anxiety. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for good health. Salmon contains a lot of protein, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, all of which are good for your heart. This recipe is also low in carbohydrates. Number 10. Don't be so negative. When you have anxiety, it's easy to slip into a catastrophic thinking or catastrophizing mentality. Instead, take a few deep breaths, walk around the road, and think about how likely it is that this issue will spiral out of control. When you're overwhelmed with fear, a tragic result is a lot less likely than you thought. only a few incidents have the power to alter the course of your life. Number 11. Try a forest bath. Shinrin-yoku is the Japanese term for it. It's what you and I call a walk in the woods. Body changes were tested in people who walked for about 20 minutes in a beautiful forest with woodsy smells and the sound of a rushing stream, according to researchers. After their walk in the woods, the forest bathers had lower stress hormone levels than after a similar walk in the city. Number 12. Learn how to meditate with mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation, which was initially a Buddhist technique but is now a common treatment, is especially useful in managing anxiety. Practicing mindful awareness helps one to perceive the true nature of each moment as it unfolds, rather than what is predicted or feared. Where do I begin? To begin meditation, try paying attention to the present moment, deliberately, with interest, and with an attempt to attend non-judgmentally. Take a deep breath and think about it. Ask yourself basic questions when doing breathing exercises to help you remain mindful. Sit in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and concentrate on how your breath enters and exits your body. Now, when concentrating on your pulse, ask yourself silent questions such as, what is the air temperature when it reaches the nose? When your breath leaves your body, how does it feel different? How does it feel as the air fills your lungs? Are you worried about something? Congratulations on your achievement. You're conscious of your emotional condition, which is the first step towards minimizing anxiety. Remember to praise yourself for recognizing that you are experiencing nervous thoughts and possibly physical changes. This is a practice in mindfulness that must be mastered and is crucial in making good decisions. The next steps in intervention, such as constructive self-talk, cognitive reframing, or the use of mindfulness or calming techniques. Do you like healthy life wisdom? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next video.